This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Xbox Mobile. Many of you love playing Roblox, and sometimes you want to take that fun with you, even when you're not directly in front of your console. This guide will walk you through the simple process of setting up your mobile device to connect with your Xbox, allowing you to dive into countless Roblox experiences from anywhere. It's easier than you might think, and we'll cover everything you need to know to get started right away. It's important to clarify what Roblox on Xbox Mobile truly means. While you can play Roblox directly on your phone or tablet using the dedicated Roblox mobile application, the Xbox Mobile aspect usually refers to leveraging the Xbox app on your mobile device. This app allows you to interact with your Xbox console remotely, manage your games, and even stream your Xbox gameplay to your phone. So, we're talking about two distinct but related ways to enjoy Roblox on the go. To connect your Xbox to your mobile device, first, download the official Xbox app from your device's App Store. Once installed, sign in with the exact Microsoft account you use for your Xbox console. Next, you'll need to enable remote features on your Xbox itself, which you can find in the console's settings under Devices and Connections, and then Remote Features. With these steps complete, your mobile device can now interact with your Xbox, letting you manage your gaming experience from afar. Now, if your goal is simply to play Roblox directly on your mobile device, without involving your Xbox console for gameplay, the process is even simpler. Just head to your device's App Store, search for the Roblox application, and download it. Once installed, log in with your existing Roblox account, and you'll have immediate access to all your games, friends, and progress. This provides a dedicated and optimized mobile experience, ensuring you can enjoy Roblox anytime, anywhere, with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.